Welcome to day 15 of Vim Tip of the Day. Today, I want to show you a useful command to be able to show matching parentheses, which is really useful when you're writing programs in C, Java, or any other programming language. So let's say you were at the opening parentheses and you hit the percent sign. You'll jump to the matching closing parentheses. And if you're in a line that is not at a parentheses and you hit percent sign, it will find the next parentheses, and if you hit it again, you'll find the matching parentheses. If you're inside the line, if you hit percent, it will also find the next parentheses. So let's take a look at a Java file. So here's a sample Java file. It's something I wrote for a podcast app to look at transcripts. So if you were to jump over to the open curly braces and you hit percent, you can see it jumped to the matching curly bracket. So this is a good way for you to find the matching parentheses and jump to that position. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. If you're ever looking for a paid tutor to help you with anything computer science, Python, Java, C, please check out my profile on Wyzant and my YouTube profile.